In this section, we're going to discuss a case study for body mass index. BMI is a computation based on height and weight in metric units. The conclusion of one's BMI index is one option out of a set of four. This is a great time to learn about chained else statements in action. Since our input values are in imperial units, we need to convert them to metric. Once converted, we use a formula to compute the BMI index. That index will be tested to determine a person's category. We have four options. We must pick exactly one. Here is an observation that is critical to this. Notice that the values tested are in a linear order from lowest to highest. Whatever the value is, if you imagine a number line, we start from one side and we move progressively towards the other. In this case, lowest to highest. So we start nearer zero to test as we move to the right to greater and greater numbers. The order is significant. We must test the sequentially next group of numbers. We can't just jump around. Let's not test the leftmost end, that is the lowest number, followed by a test for the highest end. We need to have them in strict order from lowest progressively to highest. It could be done the other direction. We could start with highest and move progressively towards lowest. Not a problem as long as they are in linear order. Otherwise, testing becomes very complicated. We have to use compound Boolean expressions that resolve to a condition. That makes the coding harder for the programmer. It makes it much harder for someone reading. Keeping the values in order makes the tests simple, the understanding of the problem clear. Always do it in a linear order. That makes the chained else an easy match for this kind of problem.